Double-layer kurti designs look fabulous and undeniably, the layered pattern is actually quite trendy. The double-layered kurti patterns are seen in so many kurtis, and this shows that such new model kurti designs have currently become one of the most popular kurti styles. You can have a double-layered kurta fabrics and patterns. The best thing about a layered kurti and kurta or even suit is the fact that they look really amazing and pretty as a picture. If you are searching for the kurta and kurtis with a double-layered pattern for different events and occasions, then this video will definitely help you. These are popular and trendy, and different designers and celebrities have been seen wearing them. The layer can add that special pattern to your kurtis that it becomes a bit more charming and enticing. Not only for the simpler fabrics but also for the embroidered net, georgette, chiffon, silk and embellished fabrics as well, the layered kurti design is seen a lot lately.